based on hallucination levels within the top LLMs. Again, focusing purely on summarization for the reasons I mentioned for now. And see which models out there were most truthful and those that were least factually consistent. So to construct this leaderboard, what we did is I took 1,000 documents. Most of these are news articles from some of the evaluation data sets, not the training data, obviously. And I fed them to the LLMs in the rows there. And then we asked them to summarize the documents, and then we ran the results for a model, and then we scored the different models. So, and this also matches with some of the other research that people try to do similar things. We do find the OpenAI models are still the best in terms of not hallucinating, at least while summarizing. The Llama models are pretty good and not too far behind. And then you have the other big LLMs like Cohere, Claude, they're a little worse. And then Google's models are probably the most egregious on there. Now there is a slight caveat there. They have a preview model of Palm. These are actually Palm 2 models. They do have a preview version of the new Palm 2 models, and they are better, especially the Palm Chat model is a lot better than it was. I don't have the exact numbers now. I don't know if it'll actually go up in the leaderboard, but I think it's considerably better than the nearly 30% rate that we have there. So I do think Google may have rushed out those models, but they're clearly playing catch up quickly. And then you can find this leaderboard on GitHub, and we'll be maintaining it pretty regularly, updating it every few months and so on as new models come out. We just added GPT-4 Turbo, which didn't make this slide, but it's very similar to GPT-4, slightly worse, as you might expect.